The Tesla Model Y is finally ready. It's complete, ready for release, and has been spotted numerous times, including at Tesla's Fremont factory in California, where it's reportedly undergoing final tests. Excitingly, there's evidence suggesting the Model Y's official launch could happen sooner than expected. However, as with the major release, there's speculation about potential downgrades and price adjustments, leaving some enthusiasts with mixed feelings. Let's break it all down. By covering Tesla's updates, we can definitely say no other Tesla model has generated as much pre-launch excitement as the updated Model Y Juniper. Everyone wants to know about its design updates, release date, and the pricing. The Model Y is the best-selling car worldwide. It's no surprise that the hype is so massive. It's an excellent vehicle and is a global favorite. The design, especially the wooden dashboard, feels dated compared to Tesla's newer aesthetics. While the exterior looks somewhat alongside the revamped Model 3 and Tesla's latest design language, it's clear that a significant refresh for the Model Y seems to be on its way. Starting with the exterior, Tesla recently shared updated photos of its vehicle lineup. These images highlight the contrast between the older Model Y and the updated Model 3. The new Model Y Juniper has a redesigned rear light bar and updated front headlights. Renderings suggest minor adjustments to dimensions, potentially making it slightly longer, but overall, the design remains close to the original. The new front-end design may incorporate elements like a light bar, while leaked images hint at a thinner rear light bar. However, there's ongoing debate about the exact styling of these elements. Now, let's talk about the exciting interior upgrades, which might convince many to wait for the Model Y refresh. First up is the addition of ambient lighting, offering a premium feel, along with a rear entertainment system and ventilated heated seats, all aimed at elevating the passenger experience. If you've grown tired of Tesla's traditional wood trim, good news. The Juniper Model Y is expected to replace it with a sleek, modern, minimalist design. However, there's a potentially polarizing change in store. Tesla might eliminate the turn signal and windshield wiper stalks from the steering wheel, as seen in the refreshed Model 3. Opinions are divided on this cost-cutting move. Some embrace it, while others find it frustrating. Leaked photos also reveal a redesigned center console, closely resembling the one in the updated Model 3. You can also expect a more heavily tinted all-glass roof, adding to the cabin's open, airy ambiance. Lastly, Tesla is incorporating acoustic glass to enhance cabin quietness, reduce heat, and block UV rays, making the driving experience even more serene. These upgrades truly take the Model Y's interior to the next level. Tesla is developing its next-generation hardware, now called AI5, and it represents a significant leap forward from the current Hardware 4. This upgrade introduces an entirely new level of processing power. If Tesla's self-driving technology has impressed you so far, AI5 is set to redefine expectations. At its core is a custom-designed self-driving chip built on an advanced 4nm process. While it may seem like a minor detail, in chipmaking, smaller processes translate to greater efficiency, higher speeds, and more computing power packed into a compact design. This innovation is expected to unlock Tesla's full self-driving capabilities, bringing us closer than ever to a seamless autonomous driving experience. There are rumors that the Model Y Juniper is set to deliver a major range upgrade. Reports suggest the long-range version could achieve an impressive 400 miles on a single charge, setting a new benchmark. If you're an EV owner, you know how real range anxiety can be. But this isn't just about a bigger battery. Tesla is said to be refining the entire vehicle, starting from the ground up. One highlight of the refresh is rumored to be significant aerodynamic improvements, including a sleeker, redesigned front bumper. This streamlined design reduces drag, allowing the car to travel further on a single charge. Adding to the excitement is a new powertrain, which might incorporate fewer rare earth minerals. This change could make the car lighter and cheaper to produce. Less weight means greater efficiency and even more miles per charge. Another anticipated feature is a front bumper camera, which has been spotted in test models in California. This camera can improve parking and possibly enhance Tesla's full self-driving system. Other exterior updates can include new wheels and tire options, similar to those introduced with the Model 3 refresh, and can include the alterations to the door handles or overall shape. By these updates, it's clear that the Model Y Juniper is shaping up to be an exciting evolution of an already remarkable vehicle. Stay tuned for interior changes and other features. Tesla aims to optimize the range of our vehicles as much as possible, and its primary focus is on expanding the availability of supercharging stations worldwide. This strategy minimizes the need for larger batteries by offering faster charging options. While rumors suggest a potential increase in battery capacity for the Model Y Juniper, potentially extending its range, there's no confirmation yet. When it comes to pricing, things can change significantly. The $7,500 federal tax credit for electric vehicles in the US is expected to end, possibly as early as the spring of 2025, due to an upcoming administrative shift. If you're factoring that discount into your Tesla purchase, it might be wise to act soon. Without the credit, Tesla prices could effectively rise by $7,500, as the discount has been promoted as an immediate price reduction on Tesla's website. While Tesla has adjusted prices in the past when incentives changed. As for the Model Y Juniper's pricing, it's unclear if it will remain the same as the current model. Observing Tesla's pattern with the Model 3, there was a slight increase in price. Similar adjustments will occur with the Model Y Juniper. However, the potential loss of the tax credit makes early purchasing more advantageous. Regarding its launch timeline, reports indicate initial production of the Model Y Juniper began at Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory in early October. Video footage shows this model undergoing testing in California, and drones recently captured vehicles at Tesla's Fremont factory that might be Model Y Juniper prototypes. Speculation suggests a launch in early 2025, but the rollout may begin in China before expanding internationally. A recent report hints that Tesla might simultaneously release 3 new vehicles globally from factories in Texas, Shanghai, and Berlin. If true, this approach can streamline the launch process compared to the Model 3. That's everything we know about the Model Y Juniper so far. What are your thoughts? Are you planning to buy one, or will you wait? What features would you like to see in this model? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and for all your support.